Alright, so we did get more snow last night, so I want to try to get some good footage, some better clips about some spots that I didn't hit yesterday. It's Sunday, so a lot of places are really empty right now, and there's fresh powder all over all the parking lots. So until then, I just got some errands to run, and I'll get some fun little clips. Yeah. So I'm going to give a better look of my car today, the is300. Kind of explain and show everything that's been done to it, sort of like a car check or a build breakdown sort of thing. Obviously it's not just a snowdrift car. Obviously it's not just a daily. I've done quite a few events with it and everything. And I'll kind of get into depth of what the plans are, what's coming up, and what we're going to be doing to it on the channel. Rear lip, some black housing headlights. I have a real HKS high power exhaust. I've got these CR Kai reps in white, 17 by 8 all around. Really good size to spin on a is300. Same for the skirts. I've got the rep TRD ones, the black housing with halo retrofits, Alteza grill, same lip but I painted it. Interior, Nardi PTM mats, eBay harness bar, fire extinguisher, Simpson harnesses. I've got the Drift HQ angle kit, and then I've got GS300 tie rods, these fresh Rev 9 Hyper 2 coilovers, and then the eBay adjustable camber control arms. So the control arms are about $100 for the set. The tie rods are super cheap, like $30 for both, but you have to flip them so the left goes on the right and the right goes on the left. And then the Drift HQ angle kit is like $2.99, but there is reps on Amazon that are basically the same thing, and I've seen them work just fine. Those are like $50, so more like $200. But yeah, I haven't seen that explained really well on YouTube, really. Quick shot under here, nothing insane. In the description, if you want to build the cheapest possible angle kit for your IS, I'm going to put that there. Not going to over explain it. But for the plans for this, I'm going to turbo it as cheap as possible, show the whole process, try to get as much as I can, and end up doing a breakdown on that, cheapest, or the whole price, everything included. And then same thing for the wrap and the cosmetics. I'm going to do that as cheap as possible, show it.